Welcome home. Ideally located on a corner lot across from Oak Hills Golf Course, you'll enjoy easy access to a private cart path and the nearby community park. Recent upgrades include a new roof, fresh exterior paint, and newer kitchen appliances. Inside, an open floor plan with soaring ceilings creates a bright and airy space, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Large windows throughout allow natural light to fill every room, enhancing the inviting atmosphere. The upstairs bonus room, located above the garage, is a flexible space could be used for a home office, a playroom, a home gym, a cozy media room for movie nights, or even a fourth bedroom. Imagine the possibilities. Conveniently located just minutes from Ford's Pond Recreational Park and all the amenities of town, Knowles Estates, nestled in a scenic valley between the Cascade and coastal mountain ranges, offers a peaceful lifestyle with quick access to Interstate 5 and nearby cities like Roseburg and Eugene. Just an hour away from the Pacific Ocean, this community is the perfect balance of tranquility and convenience. As a resident of Knowles Estates, you'll enjoy a variety of community events, including a festive 4th of July golf cart parade, summer barbecue at the park, and a Christmas lights decorating contest. This golf course community of homes offers stunning views even if you're not a golfer. Nature enthusiasts will love the abundant wildlife, from quail walking along the streets to hummingbirds and finches in your garden. For outdoor adventurers, nearby national, state, and county parks provide endless options for fishing, hiking, camping, and hunting. With 4 distinct seasons and mild winters, Knowles Estates is an ideal place to call home.